Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to my channel. This video is about a BT21 staff toy bouquet. For BT21 fanatic, this is your chance to learn how to make the bouquet. Here are the materials that you need. You need the BT21 character, 6 character, which is presented here. You also need 2 heart-shaped materials. Add up. Aside from the staff toy materials, you also need balloon cup and a balloon stick. At least you need 8 pieces of it. You need the ribbon, the scissor, a thread and a needle, the tape, and the tape dispenser. As I mentioned from my previous video, the dispenser will make making the bouquet more convenient. You also need the bouquet wrapper. For the bouquet wrapper for today, I'm going to use shades of red and touch of off-white color. Since all the materials are here, come on, help me to make the staff toy bouquet. Using the thread and the needle, you need to sew staff toy materials from the balloon cup. I know that I've already showed this on my previous video, but as I said, I'm doing this for the sake of the others that haven't seen it yet. Same procedure that we're going to do. We're going to sew every 4 sides of the balloon cup. Once that you're done with the 4 sides and you already sew it thoroughly, then you can knot the thread. You have to do this on the 8 pieces of the materials that I'm going to use. After you do that, you're going to put the balloon stick same procedure with the others. Already cut bouquet wrapper, put it here as a petal. As I'm using shades of red, so the petal that I'm using is also color red. On this side, if you notice, it's okay that it is exposed, the balloon cup. Just make it sure that in front of it is not showing. You have to do this, the 8 pieces materials that you're going to do. What I normally do is I sew everything first, then afterwards put all the balloon stick or I'm putting the bouquet wrapper as a petal. Done putting all the petals on the staff toy character and also putting all the stick all together. By doing this, it's better that it's only few materials on the table, so it's easier for you to do it. By the way, before putting the wrapper, you just have to make it sure that you tape this side first. You need to arrange that all of it are facing in front. It will be seen on the bouquet. By the way, if you notice, I didn't remove the chain of the staff toy because to be able to use these materials after, don't want more the bouquet and get the charactered staff toy inside, then you can still use it as a keychain. You have to cut the excess balloon stick here. You really need a good scissor to do that. Now put this bouquet wrapper. My previous video, I normally use the tape to tape it here, but it's also okay that you're going to use any material that you can tie it instead. Done with the first layer, you're going to do the second layer now using the red color. For the wrapping of the bouquet, it really depends on your wrapping style that you would like to do. If you notice me randomly wrap it together, which I think it's good, This is the 3rd layer that I'm going to put. I'm making sure that it's not showing the balloon stick on this side. And then I will add this kind of materials. It's like a net type of bouquet wrapper. Adding this type of material, the bouquet wrapper, it will also make the bouquet will look more expensive than normal bouquet that you're seeing it everywhere. Cut those materials that it says. So you need to tie it first before putting the little ribbon. Tying it will make it more stronger, the foundation of the bouquet. Remove the excess, and I'm going to use this ribbon. Done. The BT21 stuffed toy bouquet, shades of red and shades of off-white. So this is the finished product. This is stuffed toy materials. I bought it with a retail price of 75 pesos and also in a retail price of 65 pesos for the heart-shaped materials. I hope you like our tutorial for BT21 bouquet, and as I've said earlier, this is the finished product. It's a different character of the BT21. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and watch all the videos that we uploaded in YouTube. If you want to suggest other videos that you would like us to do, please comment below. Anyway, thank you again and bye!